Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy evening ma. Today's current affairs. World Bicycle Day is observed annually on which date to recognize the longevity, uniqueness and versatility of the bicycle? It is on June 3rd. June 3rd. Former Union Minister P. Namgyal, who passed away recently, was related to which political party? Congress. Odisha, Sikkim and Mizoram have recently joined the One Nation, One Ration Card scheme. This takes the total number of states who have joined the scheme to how many more? 20 states. 20 states have joined One Nation, One Ration Card scheme. Food and Public Distribution Ministry, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Ramvilas Paswan, Constituency, Hajipur, Bihar. The RBI has approved the extension of Subramanian Sundar, who is the MD and CEO of which bank ma? It's Lakshmi Vilas Bank. Lakshmi Vilas Bank headquarters Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Tagline: the changing face of prosperity. The changing face of prosperity. Who among the following has won the regional award for Asia in Commonwealth Short Story Prize? Kritika Pandey. So Indian writer Kritika Pandey has won the coveted honor of the Regional Award for Asia in 2020 for The Great Indian Tea and Snakes. The Great Indian Tea and Snakes. Former BJP President K.N. Lakshmanan passed away recently. He was the state president from Tamil Nadu. Which of the following Indian hockey player has been nominated for the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? Rani Rampal. Rani Rampal. And others nominated Vandana Kataria and Monica were nominated for the Arjuna Award, and as was Harmanpreet Singh from the men's team. They are nominated for Arjuna Award. And Rani Rampal nominated for Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Name the e-booklet launched by the INB Ministry, Information and Broadcasting Ministry. Releases on the first year of Narendra Modi government 2.0. Name the e-book launched by the INB Ministry. Releases on the first year of Narendra Modi government 2.0. It is a 1 year of Modi 2.0 towards a self-reliant India. Towards a self-reliant India. So INB Minister, Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Information and Broadcasting, and Minister of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises, Prakash Keshav Javadekar. Constituency, Madhya Pradesh. What is India's ranking in the latest startup ecosystem survey by Startup Blink? 23rd ma. Ranking is 23rd and the first one is United States. So with a score of 123.167, USA topped the ranking list. According to the latest report by Brand Finance, COVID-19 is likely to shave US dollars how many billions of the top 100 domestic brands ma? It's a $25 billion of the top 100 domestic brands. Jayanti Lal Nanoma, who passed away in a road accident recently, was related to which sport? Archery. Which of the following table tennis player has been nominated for the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna? Manika Batra ma. So it is none other than Manika Batra. The federation has recommended a veteran Madhurika Patkar, Manav Thakkar and Sutirtha Mukherjee for the Arjuna Award. Who has been appointed as the High Commissioner of India to the UK? Gayatri I. Kumar. Gayatri I. Kumar. So United Kingdom capital London, Prime Minister Boris Johnson. A special drive has been started by the central government to provide Kisan credit cards to how many crore people ma? It is 1.5 crore dairy farmers. So Kisan credit card to 1.5 crore dairy farmers under the Atmanirbhar Bharat package. So Kisan credit card scheme is a credit scheme introduced in August 1998 by Indian banks. This model scheme was prepared by the National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development on the recommendations of R.V. Gupta Committee to provide term loans for agricultural needs. Which company has inked a pact with NIIFL, that is National Investment and Infrastructure Fund Limited, and Ayana Power to explore opportunities in solar energy. So to explore opportunities in solar energy, that is IRCON International Ma. That is what formerly Indian Railway Construction Limited. So IRCON registered office New Delhi, India. Chairman and Managing Director S.K. Chowdhury. Ayana headquarters Bangalore, Karnataka. Chairman S.S. Mundra. MD and CEO Shivanand Nimbargi. Who among the following has assumed charge as the Steel Secretary? Pradeep Kumar Tripathi Ma. Who is the head of the committee to resolve any problems in the implementation of the MSME scheme? It is none other than Rajnath Singh, Defence Minister. Tata Power has acquired what percent stake in Odisha's TP Central Odisha Distribution Limited, TPCODL? It is 51% stake. So Tata Power headquarters Mumbai, Maharashtra. CEO and MD Praveer Simha. Which of the following company has launched a program for agri-tech startups to scale growth and offer access to deep technology? It is Microsoft. Microsoft headquarters Redmond, Washington, United States. CEO Satya Nadella. BSE Ebix Insurance Broking has launched a health insurance on its platform by enrolling which of the following insurance provider? It is Religare. Bombay Stock Exchange location Mumbai, India. Chairman Justice Vikramjit Sen. MD and CEO Ashish Kumar Chauhan. Power Minister R.K. Singh has formally launched a real-time power market on which of the following exchange? Indian Energy Exchange. Ministry of Power, Ministry of State Independent Charge, Rajkumar Singh, Constituency Ara. The Chief Minister of which state or union territory has launched an app to help track hospital beds, ventilators for COVID-19 patients? It is none other than Delhi Ma. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal. Ma, that's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.